Designs for Health was founded over 30 years ago. Within 3 or 4 years, we had a thriving practice in the Northeast. With those nutritional offices, we used a lot of dietary supplements. Along the way, we decided that really to get the most efficacious products, just design our own products for these practices that we had. By 2006, by 10 years later, we had our own manufacturing facility.
And it's grown over the years from being operated out of my home by my wife Gail to now having 4 locations.
Being a family-owned and run company, we've always been able to, at any cost, offer the best product on the market.
When you're grounded and rooted and you truly have a passion for something, it's easy to display that and be able to bring that to our practitioners that we partner with.
It's really important in terms of formulation that we are using the most efficacious forms of a variety of different nutrients and compounds.
Well, I think science first, it's not just a fancy or a catchy logo to us or a tagline. It really guides everything we do. We review a lot of science and we do a lot of due diligence when we put those products together, and we love to release them into the world and let them do good.
Our mission is really to design a well world by offering the highest quality dietary supplements and services and programs to practitioners.
The supply chain integrity is so important, the traceability of the full process back to the source of the raw materials, how it's handled, how it's validated, how it's processed, and validated once it's converted to a finished product. And so we do that by controlling and investing in our own manufacturing plants. It's fundamental.
There's many times when we're formulating a product or making a major decision at the company, we really think, what's more important here, image or what works?
So it's a tremendous responsibility to maintain that level of integrity and quality in everything that we do.
One of the advantages in the professional space is it's really clinicians formulating products for clinicians.
As a scientist at Designs for Health, I'm proud of our products. I know how much work goes into developing them. Everything we do is backed up by science.
For me, Designs for Health is about really pushing the boundaries of innovation.
Designs for Health stands for disruption. We are first in many things that we do. We don't see ourselves as suppliers, we see ourselves as partners. One thing that we always keep in mind is how everything that we're going to do is going to allow the practitioner to be more successful.
In an ever-evolving landscape of healthcare and science, that we continue to be science first, and that science first philosophy is driven through knowledge and the application of that knowledge for practitioners, so they feel better educated, better supported, and better able to then support their patients.
We really put a lot of time in figuring out how to best educate clinicians, doctors and nutritionists, in how to use them in the most efficacious ways. From everything from live seminars to our CASI symposium, there's a lot of thought that goes into that, and that's really rewarding when you see it.
From any other organization that I've ever worked for is that everybody really cares. People are very passionate about the organization, about what we do. We have an opportunity to impact people's lives in a positive way through their wellness.
And it's been a great source of pride over the years in how important it's become to Designs for Health and the number of people that it's given livelihoods to.
And when you put good things out there, you get good in return. And we've helped so many people's lives. Nothing could be more rewarding than that.
Being a family-owned company, it's not about profit, it's about bringing wellness to everybody.
At Designs for Health,
we design a well world.
We design a well world.
We design a well world.
We design a well world.